this is a very random thing I've like dropped into. One of my friend who is from abroad, I think he has a crush on me. He is here to trade the wines. And he invited me. I'm like, okay, I stay in Mumbai. I don't know this event is happening. I'll come. I don't mind. I love wines anyway. He's a foreigner and hot, by the way.
Foreigner and hot. Okay.
Yeah.
Can we know which brand?
And mainly he's taller.
Okay. Tall people for the lookout everyone. 6'2". Do we have his mobile number we want to share?
No. I think he's here for me.
Okay. Okay.
Just
people-
for me.
Okay.
So, okay, I'm a commercial artist. She's my teammate, and I do wall murals. I do wall murals for restaurants, hotels, residential places, commercial places. You know, wall murals. is,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
So now we'll
And
come to
I-
the serious stuff now. What is wall
What I am, I'm an artist, illustrator.
Okay.
I'm an illustrator.
Lovely.
I do digital designing for all international brands, and my recent achievement is I have worked in Bangalore International Terminal 2 Airport.
Oh!
I painted the walls there.
The beautiful walls there. Oh my god.
Yes.
If you don't know the audience, the new Terminal 2 in Bangalore
And
is
we
a
are going there
beautiful airport.
again for the spa, international spa area, to paint all the spa in a beautiful.
So should I expect some kind of gift from you after so many achievements, like a free flight ticket to Bangalore T2?
Wow, you think I'm a Ambani's daughter here?
I've been to T2 a lot of times. Instead,
It is beautiful.
I
isn't
make
it?
sure when I'm booking the flight, it does go to T2 because I
Please,
love.
seriously,
yes.
it is so beautiful.
We
Like,
go to the lounge area.
Yes.
Go
I've
to
gone
the
lounge area.
080.
It's on the first floor. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I've been there.
extremely beautiful.
Okay, when I had gone there, the painting was going on. So Maybe you
we
were there
in
already.
like August, September. Like it's
Uh-huh,
very recent.
I was there,
one.
I was
and we
there.
are going again. Yeah.
okay.
Hey, shoot the second question.
Okay, moving on to the next question.
Yeah.
So you are here for that one particular person, or is there some
No,
other
I'm
reason?
here
as
for the
well?
wine, purely for the wine.
Wine.
I haven't even met him
Wine.
till now. I don't know where he's disappeared, and I'm trying to connect with him on Instagram. Like, dude, where the are you?
Okay, but when I have to ask you about your favorite poison, what do you love to have?
It kept changing as the time passed. So I started with beer, then I switched to whiskey, then I switched to rum, and now I think I'm a wine person because it's elegant. It's like it has that class. You have to develop that taste. So I think
But you started with wine initially.
no, I started with beer.
You started. It's like any Indian young
Yeah, I
teenager.
started
My
with
friend
Vinod.
started with beer, then
And I
went to
started
rum.
with beer with my dad, by the way. He's like, come join me. I'm like, what is this? He's like, taste karke dekh. I was like, okay. So I started with beer. And
I
then
hope this is not before the legal age, because then we can't talk about that.
it's okay. No. I was matured enough.
Okay. You're mature. Okay. So now you're a wine person. So any favorite choice that you have, or
I
any
love
brand that's
rosé.
here?
I
Okay.
don't know about the brands much, okay, because I have not studied much. But I love rosé because of its color, its elegance. See, I'm an artist, so I talk in colors, visuals, packaging, all the look and feel of the product.
Correct.
It can be anything. So I think I love rosé wine because it's a mixture of red and I don't know much. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, I love rosé. So even in pastas, I don't select white or red. I
You go
choose
for a
pink
mix.
pasta.
Of course.
You get it now.
Perfect. Okay. So it is now about 4:30 p.m.
Yeah.
When we meet after 2 hours, should I expect you to be entirely tipsy, or are you going
You
to be?
can. I'm going to try hit all the counters. I'm going to try all the wines. So yeah, let's hope that.
So you have limited time remaining. Your
I
time
know.
stops now. Thank you so much for
It
this.
was
Thanks a
lovely
lot.
talking
Thank
to you. I hope I was the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.